I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh. Today we're going to be making a blueberry crisp.
Crumble? Yeah, crisp.
It's
sorry.
a crisp.
I was going to say crumble.
It's kind of a crumble too, isn't it? So we're going to be making a one serve, which is nice because then you actually are limited to how much you eat because this is so good. So I'll get started by adding and refreshing the blueberries.
We need some water. While you wait for your water, I'll get started on the crumble top. So I will be adding butter, a little bit of butter, and brown sugar, oats, and the recipe will be posted below so you can just follow the recipe, and flour. And I'll just be mixing this together when you go ahead and start refreshing.
Okay, so I'm going to be refreshing the blueberries. So I'll just take a few blueberries and I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon. I'm not gonna put a whole lot of lemon. I'm gonna add my sugar and my vanilla. And then I'll be adding some water to that. That smells so good. Smell that, Kathy.
I love vanilla and lemon together. It's so good.
All right, so just letting this refresh a little bit. Those blueberries, look how bright they are. And as you can see, there's a little bit of moisture there at the bottom, which is perfectly fine because it'll be absorbed and then it won't be freeze-dried, it'll be fresh. That's how we get it in. How you doing over there with the crumble?
Good. I'm actually used to a tool that does this, not a glove. This is Annie version with the glove. I remember always seeing you in the kitchen with gloves on, always.
I know. Well, it was my former career of choice. I still to this day I have to wear gloves for whatever I do, from gardening to in the kitchen. All right, so I'm going to be placing this inside the base of this little one. It's kind of a tart style. All right, so this is all placed inside and it's ready for the crumble.
And did you know that blueberries in our cans, freeze-dried blueberries, have 40% more vitamin C than the fresh from the grocery store? You're getting more nutrients in the can, which I love because why not, right? The only way you could get better than this is fresh from your garden picked. Oh, I'm making a mess. Okay, so we have the topping on there and we're ready to bake it. And remember, if you like our video, give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're informed when we post a new video. And please comment below. Commenting and letting us know what you think of our recipes helps us to give you what you want. All right, so we've just taken this blueberry crisp out of the oven and we are going to add a little topping and then we're going to try it.
Yes.
So this is just a bit of Cool Whip. You can put ice cream on it. A crisp is really nice with ice cream, with a few blueberries, and that's it. So we'll taste it. Ooh. Oh. Wow. I need more. That was really good. And super easy. And remember, you can do this too.